How to use household vinegar to trap fruit flies. Fruit flies are tiny flying insects often confused with gnats. These bugs infest your kitchen when you have fruit sitting out, such as bananas, melons and grapes. Fruit flies also like potatoes, onions and squashes. Since fermented fruits and vegetables also attract fruit flies, vinegar, a fermented liquid, attracts the flies as well. Making traps using household vinegar to attract fruit flies is an effective method of removing an infestation. Things you'll need: notebook paper, stapler, household vinegar, mason jar, 20 ounces soda bottle, box cutter, citrus dishwashing liquid, plastic wrap, rubber band, mason jar. Roll a piece of notebook paper on an angle to create a cone, leaving a half-inch hole in the bottom of the cone. Staple the edges of the cone together to hold its shape. Pour 2 to 3 ounces of household vinegar into a small mason jar. Place the notebook paper cone into the mouth of the mason jar. Fruit flies will fly through the cone and become trapped inside, eventually drowning in the vinegar. Soda bottle. Using a box cutter, cut off the top third of a clean, plastic, 20 ounces soda bottle. Add 1 to 2 inches of household vinegar to the bottle. Invert the top third of the bottle, and place it inside the bottom 2/3. Staple along the top edge of the inverted bottle top to secure it to the bottom. Discard the bottle when it becomes full of fruit flies. Create a new bottle when needed. Small bowl. Mix 1 cup each of household vinegar and water. Stir in 2 teaspoons citrus dishwashing liquid. Stretch a piece of plastic wrap over the top of the bowl. Secure it in place with a rubber band. Poke the plastic wrap 2 or 3 times with a fork to make holes for the fruit flies to pass through. Tips: warnings. Making fruit fly traps is not enough to get rid of infestations completely. Clean your kitchen thoroughly using soap and water. Clean counters of spilled food. Throw away fermented food. Take all trash outside to keep the flies from finding the food in the trash can. Keep lids on beverages as well. Household vinegar is also referred to as white distilled vinegar. However, any vinegar, such as apple cider vinegar, may be used in these traps.